In the open sky, a single kite strains against the oncoming storm's breath. Yet the kite's ascent isn't found in freedom, but in the resistance it meets. Tethered fast, the kite rises higher with every gust that seeks its collapse. True flight demands opposition. The very wind that threatens gives the lift to soar. Pulling back never means retreat. It is the arc of potential gathering grace to leap. Constraint becomes conductor. Every limitation channels energy, guiding the kite's measured ascent. As the storm intensifies, the kite trembles, yet finds its highest reach holding tightly bound. In straining limits, the kite discovers paradox. Its restraint is the secret of its flight. Each cycle of pull and release is a dance, tension and freedom in harmonious opposition. The kite's lesson is clear. Only by being held can we truly rise into storms.